In today's video, we are going to be looking at this microphone stand right here from NearStream. So let's do the unboxing and show you guys what's inside the package. So inside the package right here, we have the NearStream boom arm, which is the ST20 version, which I'm going to show you guys inside this video. The setting up process is quite straightforward because it comes with different mounting options for different and various mic threading, which is quite adjustable and versatile. So here's my honest review. Now, one thing I like about this boom arm right here is the build quality and how solid this boom arm feels, especially when I mount this microphone right here onto my decks. Now this piece right here, as you guys can see, it can remove from the desk clamp. So if you want to move it out the way, you can actually take the microphone out and it will look something like that. You can just basically slide it in like that and you have your mic just to use again. We have a lever that we can tighten this section once we want it in the right position that we want it. So there's no movements of up nor down, but this can still rotate the microphone stand right here. So let's say if I want to adjust this section right here, the height, I can plug that back. And then on this section right now, we can pull this section right here. So we can rotate it up, down, side, left, any different way that we want it. And I can lock this section right here. And I can have my mic position this way, you know, with not too much of the microphone get into your way. I wish that there's a section right here as well in which we could have adjust this right here. So if you want to get a lower or higher angle, we can actually adjust it right here. Now otherwise from that, the microphone is pretty sturdy and yet still lightweight, so it doesn't really have a lot of weight to it. It comes with a cable management slot, so if you have a cable microphone, you can attach it into the bottom section right here, you know, just to have a clean setup with your cables. But one thing though, they might easily pop out. Now if your microphone stand is too slack, it comes with this wrench right here in which we can tighten the section. If you want to, you know, give it some more sturdiness, it comes with a quarter thread mount, a 3/8 and a 5/8. So if you want to mount your microphone that's take advantage of quarter mount, you can actually attach it onto here. Now this section right here, it actually tight when you tighten it on the microphone, or sometime when you actually tighten this section right here, it actually hard to remove. So there's no way for me to actually pull this because there's not much grip onto it where you can actually loosen this. So you might do something like a vice grip or a pliers to actually remove or loosen up this piece right here, because it can really actually get tight. So it's a great boom arm microphone stand, whether you're using like for podcasting, gaming, live streaming, or in your own office like this. It's a great little stand that you can use, you know, to mount your microphone on. So if you guys interested in picking up one of these, I'm going to put links in the description if you guys interested. And remember to subscribe to this channel if you find this video was helpful. Remember to smash that like button for more content like this.